What you're looking at right now is DaVinci Resolve. We've gone ahead and launched DaVinci from the Windows menu. We've created a new project, and this is what we're presented with. So I understand that video editing tools can be pretty complex looking and very intimidating. So what I'm going to try and do is break that down for you. There's really only just under 10 things here that you actually need to know how to do with this tool. So we're going to walk through all of those with you and show you how to do those things. Before we do that, I'm going to walk you through this interface and show you what it is that you're actually looking at here. So we're going to start over here in this corner, and this says no clips in the media pool. The media pool is where you will drop your videos. So any videos that are coming in that you want to edit, you will put them in your media pool. And once they're here, then you can scrub through them and they will play on the screen that will appear right here. Okay, this is a multi-use video monitor for you, and you can change that under workspaces. There are various workspaces here that you can go to and you can adjust this, and what it can do is have a preview and a main monitor. I like to use just one monitor. To have more than one monitor is too confusing for me, so I just use one. So the next thing that would happen is you'll be taking your videos here and you'll be dragging them down into this area down here. This is your timeline. The top of the timeline is for video tracks and the bottom is for audio tracks. So you'll put those in here, and then once that happens, this area here where it says nothing to inspect will populate with information because you can change properties of your video and your audio over here. This thing right here is the playhead. Once there's a video in here, you'll be able to take this playhead and move it back and forth across the video. You'll see that up in here, and that'll help you with your editing. Right here next to it is your mixer. As you add videos here, you'll get tracks of audio. This will stretch out and you'll have multiple channels of audio, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. So that's the main sections of your screen that you need to kind of be worried about. Let's talk about this middle toolbar here. There's only a couple of things on this toolbar that you actually need to pay attention to. This one right here that looks like a razor blade is your cut tool. So when you have your video in here, you'll click cut and you will just click in the video and it will make a cut there for you. If you need to select your videos and move them around or something, you would use this arrow here. This is your pointer, your selection arrow. The only other thing that you really need to pay attention to is this slider right here. This is your zoom tool. So basically, if you want to zoom in a little bit and get more detail on your videos or your audio track, you can use this slider to do that.